Alright, boys and girls, and welcome back to Gordon Guitar. So we have Craig David and MNEK again here. We had them for a couple of weeks ago. This one is Who You Are, and this is part 2. So this tutorial will be very short here. We have only 3 different chords and 1 strumming pattern to go through, and that's it for the song. It goes like this through the entire song. So let's start with the capo set here on the 1st fret. That gives us the best and easiest chords here, so we don't have to work with all these bar chords. So capo on first, and then we have this F first here. So that will be all strings barred here on the 1st fret, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Then we have E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord will be D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Okay, so the chord progression for this song here that goes through this entire song will be F to E minor to D minor and back to E minor. So F, E, D, E, F, E, D, E. Yeah, so that is the chord progression here. And we need to learn a strumming pattern that will be down, 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 up. So this one will work for the song. So there's a kind of a different beat sometimes in this song here, but this one will go and work for this entire song. So if we take this first chord here, this F, and try this strumming here, down, 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 up. It will sound like this. Okay, down, 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 up. 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 All right, so what you do there, you're gonna play 2 rounds for each chord. So F, F, E minor, E minor, D minor, D minor, and E minor. And that is 1 chord progression, and it goes like this. Through the entire song. There are some parts where you could just play 1 down for each chord, but there are just small parts of the song here, and then it goes back again to more up-tempo beat there, and this down, 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 up will work for this song. So yeah, that's pretty much it when it comes to this song, Who You Are, part 2 with Craig David and MNEK. So yeah, see you soon, guys. And don't forget, play tuned.